So what's good, man? What's good? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Blade, you know what I'm saying? I'm back, you know what I'm saying? I'm back to help independent artists, you know what I'm saying? So that's my goal. So I'm trying to give some of the knowledge that I have back to the independent artists, the ones that's making music, the ones that need help. So you know what I'm saying? I got a homeboy named G Sims and he just started using distrokid. If you don't know what distrokid is one of the top distribution services out there. You got DistroKid, CD Baby, and United Masters, but it's one of the top distributors, and it's pretty easy to use. Like I've been using it for years. I done uploaded over 50 tracks on it, so you know I'm just gonna do a quick upload tutorial on just how to upload. And if you look on the screen, you'll see upload right here. So you just go to upload, and DistroKid has it to where you can upload music and you can upload videos. So you want to go to upload music because that's what we're talking about, how to upload your song so that it's on Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, YouTube, everywhere. So boom, you go right there. You click on upload music and then it brings you here. So at the top, you just have all the services that it's going to go to. So that's pretty self-explanatory. If for some reason you don't want it on one of these platforms, you just simply go uncheck the box, just like that. So boom. After that, if you're uploading a single, you just leave it at one song. Boom. That's simple. If you're uploading a album or EP, you're gonna select 6 songs. You're gonna select however many songs that you're uploading. You can go all the way up to 35. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back at one. Boom. So it's saying, has this single been previous release? Has it? This most more than likely, I'm assuming that it has not been released. That's why you're trying to release it. So boom, easy. Right here, you'll want to type in your name exactly as you want it to appear. Like mine's is It's Blade, so we're just gonna leave that right there. But okay, if it was G Sims, I'm going to go G Sims, and then boom, you leave it like that. Okay, I'm actually gonna leave G Sims in there because I'm gonna show you. I wanted to look how it's gonna look for you. So boom, it asks you, is this artist already in Spotify? So you will go to no. When you go to no, it's gonna create you a Spotify page. Then it's gonna say, is this artist already in Apple Music? And you're gonna select no again. And hold on one second, let me go back up because if this artist already is in Spotify, you would need to go to Spotify, copy the link to your profile, and put it here. That way that it can find your artist profile and it can link it to it. And you'll do the same thing for Apple Music right here. Same thing for YouTube Music. If you are already if you already have music released with YouTube, you go to like just the artist page. So you would just type in your artist name, like It's Blade. You type in It's Blade, go to just that main page, not just one, like not just a song, not like It's Blade coming home. It'll be It's Blade page with all my stuff on it. I'm gonna upload that here. And then does the same thing for Instagram. You copy your Instagram link to your profile, put it here. Copy your Facebook link to your profile, put it here. Select your release date. So if you want to release it on June 13th, just click it. What time do you want to release? Most people have a release at midnight. Like as soon as the day starts, boom, it's already up there. But you can select any time that you want. Time synchronization, that just means that it'll be released at 12 midnight in every city and every time zone. So you can select that for it to sync, or you can select for it to just go everywhere when it's 12 o'clock midnight in New York. I usually just let it just sync. Pre-order. Do you want people to be able to pre-order your music? I usually select yes for this, because that just let people that already listen to your music have a chance to just go ahead and click that pre-order and pre-save it, and then once the song is released, it'll automatically go to them. If you got a record label, you put the record label name here, Cash Mob Entertainment, the language, what language is the music in? So it'll be English. Then right here you select the primary genre of the music that you're uploading. And if there is a secondary genre, you will put it here. But if it's not, you just leave that blank. And then boom. Now we are at the cover upload. So when you upload this image, it has to be a certain amount of pixels. So it has to be 3,000 by 3,000 square pixels at least. But 3,000 by 3,000, it'll make it square. So it has to be. I would just put it 3,000 by 3,000 because if you put it something else, it may distort your image so that it can go into this right here. So I would put my stuff 3,000 by 3,000. And at the same time, the cover has to only say your artist name and the song title. Or if you're uploading a album, it has to have your artist name on it and the album title. It can't be no other random words on it. It just has to be cut and dry, just like the artist name and the song title or the album title. So, and then right here, you put the name of the title, the name of the song. So if the song is called Ride or Die, you put Ride or Die right there and put it exactly how it's spelled on the cover too. Then it asks you here, are any artists featured on this song? If you select yes, and you put It's Blade, boom. Do you have extra versions? Add version info to the song title. If it's a normal version, you just leave it. No, this is a normal version. If it's a clean song, then you will put radio edit. And then down here it'll give you a preview with your cover, like picture, and it gives you a preview of what it's gonna look like. So you see how it's got G Sims, It's Blade, Ride or Die, featuring It's Blade, and then it'll have your picture right here. Right here is where you upload your audio file. This you can drag it and drop it here, or you can click here, and then you can navigate to it. Yeah, you can do it like that. I'm not gonna click anything because I'm not actually uploading anything. And right here, you can master your track with Mixia before uploading it if you want to. That's if you pay for that service, but you don't have to. You can just scroll past that. Spatial audio, I usually just leave that as no. Songwriter, I wrote this song, so I usually just leave I wrote this song there. And the songwriter's real name, so you'll put your first, middle, and last name here, so you can get credit as the writer for the music, the lyrics. You have some people that don't actually write their lyrics, so you would give credit to whoever wrote the song right here. Mm, explicit lyrics. Is this dirty version or is it clean version? So if it's dirty, you select yes. If it's clean, you select no. Does this song contain any instrumentals? If it's a song, is you gonna have to, like, if it's a regular song, you put this song contains lyrics. Boom. Preview clip start time. So what this is saying is, like, you know how you can use your own music for like stuff on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Like you can use it for like reels and stuff like that. This is saying, like, once you click on that song, where the song is gonna start. When you click on it, like what's the starting point it's gonna go to. Like you can tell it exactly what second mark to start on, or you can just let them decide. So if you wanted to just let each individual streaming service decide what part of the song they feel is the hypest. You just put let streaming service decide, or you can click here and I can tell it, okay, let's start it at 27 seconds. Track price on iTunes and Amazon. You can select your track price here. And this is the artist mapping that I was talking about. So right here, and this is for the feature artist. So if you're featuring an artist that's already on the streaming platforms, you'll have to go to their artist platform. Like you have to go to their Spotify, put that information here. You have to go to their Apple Music, put the information here. YouTube, put the information here. And then down here is extras. I usually automatically go with the discovery pack. I usually go with the store maximizer. And depending on what it is, I'll go with the legacy. So that means that the song will never come down. But you don't have to go with any of this stuff because it's extras. But you want to go with this discovery pack because this is like it registers your song with SoundScan. So it's like it's easy to pick up your track when it's played. So I usually always go with that discovery pack. And then that's it. You have to check everything down here. You have to check it, and it's just saying like I pretty much agree to the terms that I'm uploading this stuff to. But you read this stuff individually, and then boom, you're done. When you click done, it'll update you as the cover is approved, as the song is uploaded and stuff like that. Then you'll start getting automated emails just letting you know the progress of the song. But that's pretty much it right there, man. So I mean, if you got any more questions, leave it in the comment section.